Hey guys, it's snowing at Stecoah Gap. I don't know if you can tell or not, but we're getting snowed on. We didn't expect this. No view though at Stecoah, but it's going to be a little frozen start. All right, have a good day. Later. All right guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it's starting to stick. The snow is sticking to the branches here, and it's beautiful. We sure didn't expect it, and there's a trail there, and they sure didn't tell us this was gonna happen, but it sure is pretty. Hope y'all are doing well this morning, wherever you are, nice and warm and dry and healthy and joyful. Later. All right guys, it's still snowing. It's collecting on my little dancing trees. I love it. We'll walk down here as far as I can without causing a problem for me. There's a lot over here. It's still snowing pretty good. We're under the trees, so we're getting sheltered a little bit. But as you can see, the little dancing trees are getting their little share of the water and the snow. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay. This is it for a little while, but the trail goes on down. Trail's been nice. A little up, going out of the, out of the gaps, but nice. Hey, if anybody knows what this little brown tree here with these leaves on it, let us know. We're trying to figure it out. It keeps its leaves longer than anybody, and we don't know if you can see it or not. Okay. Later. Okay, guys. On the other side over here, still sort of collecting, but it's just barely hitting us. We don't know if it's coming off the tree, the trees or whatever. So you can tell it didn't really get too heavy on this side of the mountain, but it's still pretty. And here's good morning, one with the woods.
Good morning.
She's really enjoying it, being from Florida, right?
Very pretty.
It's a beautiful day. All right, guys, we just found Charlie Brown's Christmas tree at Christmas, all weighted down. It's so pretty, but it blows its heart. It's fighting to stay up. All right, enjoy Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. Bye. All right, guys, we're thinking it's clearing up over there, which you can see all the snow on the trees here. It is just gorgeous. It really is. It's just like a little wonderland. This is part of the trail I wanted you to see, and this tree is uprooted here. Be careful, it's a little slicky with this, but look up underneath here. Wonder what could be living up all up underneath there. Beautiful. Little gnomes come out of there. You still see it snowing just a hair. And then we go on up the trail. And that's it. It's a beautiful, beautiful, oh, and we're seeing a little bit, well, we did see a little blue sky right there for a little bit. One with the woods said she saw some blue. All right, later. Hey guys, we're seeing a bunch of pretty mountains over there that's got some snow on it. We wasn't expecting it. I knew in the Smokies it was supposed to have some possibility of snow, but I mean, this is just beautiful. Oops. Sorry, I'm bouncing you around. But it is just gorgeous over there. Okay, later. Looky here at this pretty little rock just sitting here guarding the trail. It didn't get no snow on it. It didn't get much on it. Got a little bit on it. But it's beautiful. It's good to see it out with the brown and stuff. It just looks really good. All right, later. Ain't these pretty little dancing trees? They're just filled with snow. They're not dancing this morning, or if they were, they stopped because they had knocked their little snow off. But it's beautiful. We've seen some beautiful views that we can't show y'all because you wouldn't be able to see them, but we have been treated to some beautiful views. So, there goes one with the woods down into the little hole down there. But it's beautiful. Okay, later guys. All right, we're coming up on this beautiful, as you can tell, beautiful little place to walk and go up the trail. Oh, you want to walk? That's all right. Go ahead. I don't know if I want to walk over those rocks. Here she goes over the rocks. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We've had some blowdowns this morning, but nothing like we had over at from Weiser on over to NOC. That was horrible. Here's these rocks. And I'm trying to be careful because they got little crevices and they're slippery. Don't look too slippery, I know, to y'all probably, but it's been snowing and raining, or icing a little bit. Of course, don't see much ice here. But there goes the trail. There's a little view over there, but not much. Hey guys, we're down here at Yellow Creek Mountain Road. We're about to be picked up and go home for the evening. We came from Stecoah Gap. It says 7.6, but on our thing it said 7.8. So, well, we're not quite all the way down there. So, anyway, let me turn you around a little bit. This is what I look like today. It's been cold and snowy. You'll see. It was a good walk. We did it in good time. Jacob's ladder was rough, and but we made it. We did it. So anyway, I guess the whole thing was it was cold, windy, icy, snowy, all the above, but we had a good day. Had a really good day, and we're through. And thanks for watching. And we didn't meet very many people today. Most everybody was ahead of us we met a southbounder, and she said that she'd met about 20 people. And we were like, well, we hadn't met anybody. And it turned out that evidently they were staying at the shelter, and then they just got ahead of us. But we met a couple of people, about 4 people later on. So, okay, well, just wanted to say thanks for watching and tell you what the video was all about, and hope you're doing well. And thanks for watching.